In this time of uncertainty, we are all acutely aware of the importance of our essential workers and services. One essential service that enables all others is reliable auto repair. It helps ensure important deliveries and healthcare services continue to flow without interruption. Today we visit some local AAMCO centers and learn more about the changes they have made to respond to COVID-19 and keep vehicles moving. Rush hour may not be quite so rushed these days, but there are still plenty of people who need to be on the road, like Ashley Wells.
Being able to travel is really important for my job and my career since I'm a nurse. And I'm going to need to get to and from the hospital on a daily basis without any trouble with my car.
So when her brakes started making an awful whining noise, Ashley knew she needed to get it serviced. She was relieved to learn that auto repair centers are considered an essential service across the country. And her local AAMCO center was not just open, but had gone to great lengths to be ready to serve her.
When I called, I wanted to make sure that it was safe for me to come in. And they went through all their safety precautions and made sure that I felt okay bringing my car here.
So in order to safeguard our customers and employees, we came up with a no-touch process. And this has allowed us to eliminate any hand-to-hand or person-to-person contact in the transaction of getting your vehicle repaired.
In light of COVID-19, AAMCO Chief Operating Officer Zach Peters and his team combed through CDC recommendations and analyzed how they could be integrated into AAMCO's internal processes in 580 repair centers coast to coast.
All of our businesses are locally owned and operated, and so being able to provide a good service to the community that was in compliance with the CDC was essential to us in developing this no-touch process.
The no-touch service starts with a phone call to schedule a service. When vehicle owners drop off their car, they can communicate with a protected AAMCO employee via social distance. Then, the no-touch service kicks into high gear.
We're then putting in PPE into the vehicle. Steering wheel covers, seat covers, we're wearing gloves, and sanitizing the vehicle every time we get in and out of it, as well as changing gloves every single time we go in and out of the vehicle.
Before returning the vehicle, all surfaces, including seats, steering wheels, handles inside and out, and keys are cleaned and sanitized, so you're ready to go.
Young lady, there you go.
Thanks so much.
You're very welcome.
Local AAMCO owner George Love says offering his customers that security and following the no-touch process is priority number one.
It just makes my guys do an extra special job to make sure that those customers can depend on their car more than they ever did before, especially if they got to go to the hospital or go to the grocery store or go get medicine filled out. So we're in this for our community.
AAMCO is one of the oldest brands in this country, and we take very seriously our job and the quality of our work. And so this just goes right in line with what AAMCO always has taught.
I definitely trust them to keep me safe and handle everything appropriately.
Some AAMCO locations even offer a vehicle pickup and delivery service if you aren't comfortable leaving your home. And all locations offer financing options, which can provide a bit more peace of mind at a very uncertain time. To find an AAMCO location near you, go to aamco.com today.